How to boil eggs in a rice cooker. Rice cookers are a fantastic kitchen appliance that can cook more than just rice. If you're wanting to steam, boil, or cook food and don't have the room on your stove to do so, think outside the box and use a rice cooker. Step 1. Add the water. Add about a cup of water into the rice cooker. Step 2. Insert the steam rack or basket in the cooker. Some rice cooker models have an attachment basket available to use, as this works as well. Step 3. Add the eggs onto the basket. Make sure that they stand upright, so the bottom of them is down. This will balance out the yolks and be the ideal finish if you are making deviled eggs. Step 4. Cover the cooker with a lid. It's important not to lift the lid on during the cooking process, or else all of the steam will escape. Step 5. Cook the eggs. Push down the rice cooker button and set the time for 20 minutes. Finishing the eggs. Step 1. Make an ice bath. In a large bowl, add cold water and ice cubes so that it fills up to the rim. Step 2. Remove the eggs from the rice cooker. Use plastic or metal tongs to remove them from the rice cooker, one by one. Immediately place them in the ice bath. Step 3. Serve or store them. Allow the eggs to completely cool in the ice bath. You can test them out by handling them with your fingers. Serve them immediately or store them in the refrigerator. Step 4. Finished. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.